The African savanna at sunset. Golden light pours across the grasslands, softening the horizon and outlining the tall, unmistakable shapes of giraffes. Their silhouettes rise above the treetops, as if suspended between earth and sky. Watch their necks as they feed and move. The long neck is not only a feeding adaptation, it also plays a role in competition. Male giraffes engage in contests called necking, where they swing their heavy heads like hammers, striking opponents with great force. At this hour, as the heat of the day fades, giraffes continue one of their most important daily rituals: feeding. Their preferred choice is the acacia tree. Although the branches are armed with sharp thorns, giraffes are perfectly adapted. Their tongues, dark in color and nearly half a meter long, are tough and flexible. With remarkable precision, they strip off the tender green leaves without injury. A single giraffe can consume up to 30 kilograms of foliage in a day. Notice how slowly they move. Step by step, they wander from one tree to the next, pausing for long stretches at each. Their size means they have little need to hurry. Unlike many grazers of the savanna, giraffes rarely run unless truly threatened. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on the planet. An adult male can stand over 5.5 meters high, towering above most other creatures. Females are slightly smaller, but equally graceful. Their long necks, with up to 7 elongated vertebrae, the same number as in a human neck, but greatly stretched, give them an extraordinary reach. With it, they feed where few others can. Despite their height, giraffes sleep very little. On average, they rest just 2 to 3 hours a day, often in short naps that last only minutes. Look closely and you may notice the pattern of their coats. Each giraffe has a unique mosaic of spots, much like a human fingerprint. The patches are not merely decorative. Beneath them, a dense network of blood vessels helps with thermoregulation, allowing excess heat to dissipate. In the harsh climate of Africa, such adaptations are essential. Giraffes also have unusually high blood pressure, more than twice that of humans, to ensure blood reaches their brain at such height. To cope with this, the walls of their arteries are exceptionally thick, and special valves prevent blood from rushing downward when they lower their heads to drink. Without these features, the act of drinking could be deadly. Now, as the golden light deepens, the giraffes continue their slow procession. For millions of years, giraffes have thrived in this environment, evolving unique traits that make them unlike any other creature. Tonight, as shadows lengthen, their presence reminds us how finely tuned life can be to the demands of place. Socially, giraffes live in what scientists call fission fusion societies. This means that group composition changes frequently. One day, 3 or 4 individuals may be together. The next, the same giraffes may split and join others. There are no rigid herds like those of wildebeest or zebra. Instead, their gatherings are fluid, shaped by food, water, and sometimes companionship. Communication among giraffes is subtle, almost invisible to us. For many years, they were thought to be largely silent, but research has revealed that they produce very low-frequency sounds, below the range of human hearing. These infrasonic calls allow them to keep contact across distances, even when we cannot perceive a thing. Sometimes they also hum audibly at night, a soft, resonant sound whose purpose is still a mystery. But giraffes are not alone in this landscape. Sharing the evening light is another iconic resident of the savanna, the ostrich, the largest bird on Earth. At first glance, the giraffe and the ostrich could not be more different. One is the tallest of all mammals, the other a bird that cannot fly. Yet here they coexist, and in some ways they complement each other. An ostrich stands up to 2.5 meters tall and can weigh more than 100 kilograms. Its wings are small, but its legs are powerful. In a sprint, the ostrich is among the fastest creatures on land, capable of reaching 70 kilometers per hour with strides up to 5 meters long. When threatened, it can deliver a kick strong enough to deter even large predators. Like the giraffe, the ostrich relies on keen eyesight. Its large eyes, bigger than those of any land mammal, give it a wide field of view and exceptional clarity. While giraffes watch the horizon from above the trees, ostriches scan the grasslands from below. When ostriches suddenly run, giraffes raise their heads in alert. Each benefits from the vigilance of the other. But the ostrich has noticed our presence. With remarkable awareness, it shifts sideways, tucking its body behind the trunk of a tree. To us, the bird seems exposed, but this is one of its instinctive behaviors, using even the thinnest cover to break its outline. The drone turns and our gaze shifts once again to the giraffes. Two individuals stand together at a single tree, their long necks swaying like pendulums as they strip the branches of leaves. From above, we notice an intriguing contrast. One giraffe towers so high that the tree cannot meet its full height. To reach the foliage, it must bend its long neck downward, an unusual sight for a creature adapted to feed above all others. Beside it, the smaller companion feeds at ease, its head level with the branches, never needing to stoop. This difference in size allows both to share the same tree without conflict, each finding leaves at a slightly different level. Their feeding reveals extraordinary adaptations. Each tongue, dark blue and nearly half a meter long, coils around thorny twigs with delicate precision. The pigment protects it from the harsh African sun, while their saliva, thick and antiseptic, helps heal small cuts caused by the sharp acacia spines. Like other ruminants, giraffes chew, swallow, and later regurgitate their food as cud, grinding it again to release every possible nutrient. Such efficiency is vital in a land where energy must be conserved. On the open road, the ostrich stands almost motionless. Its tall body is framed against the fading light, head raised, eyes fixed on the horizon. An ostrich's eyes are the largest of any land animal, nearly 5 centimeters across, giving it extraordinary vision, able to detect movement long before most predators come close. This stillness is part of its survival strategy. By freezing, the bird reduces attention to itself, relying on camouflage and vigilance rather than flight. Only at the last moment does it begin to move, stepping with deliberate care toward the edge of the track. Slowly it slips behind a tree, vanishing once again from sight. From high above, the vast savanna stretches endlessly beneath the fading sun. Golden light paints the grasslands, a timeless stage for giraffes, ostriches, and countless others who share this land. As the sun sinks lower, the sky deepens to fire and shadow. The camera glides backward along the road, leaving the day behind. In this moment of stillness, the savanna reminds us of its enduring rhythm, a place where every life, great or small, is part of the same ancient story.